Hey everybody, how's it going? Alright, so today I have a video about a warranty. All the Capri stuff that I recently got, I did have to warranty a set of items in the order. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody, how's it going? Alright. So, I did have to warranty some of the items, like I was saying in the intro, from Capri. I got those 3 sets of wrenches, double box end wrenches. I got the free backpack, the 18-liter backpack with a flex head ratchet, half-inch ratchet, some flashlights, a water bottle, a wash mitts, and several other things, including the grease zerks and the the half-inch wrench and everything like that. The flashlights I actually had to warranty, the Johnny LED flashlights, and the reason being was, which they look like this right here. When I pulled out all the batteries, the AA batteries in these larger flashlights were completely corroded. And it corroded the inside of the flashlights. And the smaller flashlights, they take coin cells. And the little plastic, or the little cardboard round circles that were supposed to separate all of the batteries. This flashlight only had 2 of the separators, and this one had 1 separator. The batteries ended up connecting together, and they physically looks like they shorted out, and the battery acid came out of the batteries, which looks like a substance of white powder. It got all over the flashlights and everything, and even me putting batteries in, my own batteries that I had on me, AA's and the coin cells, they wouldn't work. And I contacted them. I left a voicemail, and I even filled out the form, and the person that messaged me or re-emailed me, they actually got my voicemail that day, and they were able to ship me out a new set. And they said that the batteries would not be in the flashlights. It's ALS Group Fulfillment Center, Pomona, California. But they were really fast about it. I literally warrantied them like 2 days ago. The same day I did the video. These kind of look... These are a little darker. So these 2 dark gray ones are just a little darker in person. And these are a little bit lighter, but they were really nice about it. We'll get these, because I didn't open any of these in the video, the previous video. I just showed them. I just leaned them against the box like that is what I did. It's hard to see. Let me see if I could change the light. There's brown corrosion on this. There is no batteries in it though. They did assure me that there would be no batteries in them. It does look like there was batteries in it at one point, because there's white crusty powder on the inside. But I'm not going to, I'm not going to be pissed off about it with Ulsa Tools. The tools, I didn't buy I didn't necessarily buy the flashlights. I got them for free because I purchased over $300 worth of tools, and you know, flashlights are flashlights. I'm not going to be, you know, too mad about it. I was more concerned about the corrosion. Do these have batteries in them? Yes, this one actually does have a battery in it. So they only took the batteries out. You know, they could have, my personal opinion, they could have provided the batteries. They could have just put them in the box. See, but these little cardboard caps were in these, and they were missing. Let's see, real quick. Let me grab a battery tester. Just curious if these AA's even have power, to be honest. Very little power. The AA's I got in the other ones were completely dead. See, both of these actually have somewhat power. So I should be able to put these back in. These don't seem to have any corrosion. These AA's, or these AA flashlights. And it's a very interesting light. Let me turn the lights off. It's more of like a bluish purple hue color. Watch. I'll turn the rest of the lights off. Lights out. It's kind of a... They are bright. It's kind of hard to tell. The camera doesn't show exactly what I see. The camera shows the bright blue ring. I don't see that blue ring. I see kind of a purplish hue. Turn this light back on real quick. There you go. Same with this one. So they did do what they said they were going to do. They're going to remove the batteries. It would have been nice if they would have put the coin cell batteries in the box. See, this one's not as bright. You can definitely tell the difference. This battery is also dying. But those two work, which is great. I don't have any more coin cells to be able to show you guys. These little guys. I'll have to get some more coin cells, but they were nice enough to replace them. These little sleeves is what you put the 4 coin cells in. And then you just drop it in. They're nice little flashlights. They're only like 35 lumens, if I remember correctly. It does not state on here, but if you go to CapriTools.com and then you look up the Johnny LED flashlights, I believe all of these, doesn't matter if it's the small ones or the big ones, I believe they're all 35 lumens. They're not extremely bright, but they are bright enough to help you see in the dark. I just wanted to give you guys an update that I did need to warranty an item. I didn't have to warranty any of the tools or anything like that. Everything else is functioning just fine. Here's the Capri Ratchet that I got for free in that kit. It is Charlie Paul 12500 Fox X-Ray, or Foxtrot X-Ray. This is the 1/2 inch. It is beautifully machined. The chrome is stunning, other than my fingerprints all over it. I do love the goat. You know, I'm actually wearing the hat right now. But just a quick update to let you guys know. If you guys find, you know, if you bought the, you know, $300 of the items and you got the Rhino bag with the flashlights and everything, if you have any issues with the flashlights, just contact them and let them know, and they will replace them. So here's these. I put them back in the box because I was going to ship them back, and they just told me to keep them. If I can get them working, let them know. If I can't get them working, not a big deal. They sent me a replacement. So, it was very nice of them. You know, they were very great, respectful, no issues. Yeah, 35 lumens, 30 meters, 2 hours. Soft rubber grip and belt clip, 2 AA's and 8 button cell batteries. Just a little instruction information. Figured I'd give you guys a look that I did replace something. Not a big deal. I do appreciate you guys' time. Appreciate you guys hanging out with me today, checking out the video. As always, please like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. These are a little different. Cap's a little loose on this one. But, you know, they're just cheap little flashlights. Not worried about it. I also, bottom of the description, or the top of the description, I should say, I have a Ulsa Tools link. If you guys want to click on that link, get you 10% off your order at ulsatools.com. Hope to see you guys on the next video. Appreciate all the subscribers and all the help that you guys do. Thank you guys so much for watching. And hopefully, I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace!